Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious or rub salt in the wounds or anything, but pretty rough day. Not only was there the gap down, but this was all occurring on a well above average volume. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. And from the trading perspective, a pretty interesting setup. And this whole setup revolves around the fact that, this very well could potentially be some sort of bottom. And I say some sort of bottom because you never know. There is no such thing as a guarantee. So that is why, as always, risk management and risk control is very important. But it's a very rational thought to have. And this is by no means some sort of like great discovery or great proposition on my part. I assure you, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, has taken notice of this. And what is this that I'm referring to? Well, you can see on a couple different occasions there, both there and then this afternoon, right down at the $2 mark. The bears tried to press down through there, but to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls stepped up strong and did a great job of maintaining that area of support. So as of right now, yeah, it's very apparent now, given the track record that the chart has shown us, that people are willing and wanting to buy down at 2. Again, does that mean that they're going to continue and always want to buy at 2? No, but that's also why from kind of the bigger picture perspective, it's also a very important level, because if the price does start to go down below it, well, that's just telling you that people are no longer interested in buying at 2, which just suggests that much more bearishness. But as of right now, very apparent that is a level of support because people do want to buy. And don't get me wrong, like I said, I really wish trading was as easy as saying, well, because the prices bounce off here on a couple different occasions, it is for sure bouncing back upwards. If only trading were that easy. Would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? Not shocking, but it's at least a rational thought and logical thought to have given, the current price movement. So in the event the price does start to bounce, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. Initial area of resistance, keep an eye on, going to be right here at basically the top portion of this little channel that's formed right there at $2.10. If 210 can be broken, the next key level after that to watch is right up there at the $2.25 mark. And if things get really crazy, keep an overarching perspective on that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average. But as of right now, there's still plenty of other work that needs to be done in terms of getting up above these initial levels of resistance. But all in all, an interesting setup going forward, and let's see if this $2 mark is indeed the bottom or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.